He'll never walk away. He'll never break her heart. He'll take care of things. He'll love her. And piece by piece, he'll restore.
If you are feeling emotional, do not fight it. You are a human. April Molina here with your quick tip for the day. Go with it. We are human beings, not doings, okay? Singing is the art of being present in our body, being with other people. If you feel sad, take that opportunity. Do not waste it. Use your voice lesson to cry. How do you cry and sing at the same time? Personally, I've had to play roles where I've had to cry and sing and had to separately take lessons to learn how to cry and sing at the same time. So why wouldn't we just do that while we were there in the moment and learn, okay, what gets tight? Where do I feel the tightness? Where do I feel this? Where do I feel that? Use it. Remember, you are an amazing beacon of greatness. Everything in you is valid and amazing and usable. So take it and run with it. And the same thing goes for crying and singing.
Walk away. He'll never break her heart. He'll take care of things. He'll love her. And piece by piece, he'll restore my faith. But a man can be kind and a father should be great.